Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random MAC address of your Redmi 15C. Okay, so we are on the IMEI info page. Now we need to type the IMEI number first of our device, then we need to click on check IMEI. As you can see, the Redmi 15C appeared right now on the screen. Now we need to scroll down until we find the basic checks, and let's click on MAC address generator. Now in this bar, we need to type our MAC address. If you don't know how to find it, you can always click right in here. And in here we have a whole tutorial how to find it on your device. On Android, on iPhone, on the Windows, on the Mac OS, and also on the Ubuntu. Alright, so now type your MAC address, click on generate random. Okay, now scroll down. And in here we have our 10 random MAC addresses. You can copy each one of them separately by clicking on this icon, then it will be copied, or if you want, you can copy all of them by clicking copy all MACs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.